Hi guys, DK388 and welcome back to today's video. I've got a sort of budget dash cam unboxing and review with some test footage. This is from Amazon, probably about £30, entry level dash cam, 1080p. Seems to have some fairly decent reviews, so let's crack this open and have a look and give it a go. So first off, it's in the box. We got pry tool, camera, suction cup, and some manuals, and the sort of 12 volt power cable. And as you can see, this is the suction cup mount, so you can easily remove it, reposition it to different areas of the vehicle if you need to. And it's got the sort of adjustable angle as well, so it's nice and sort of level to the road. And the actual dash cam itself is nice little compact square. I think it's 1.8 aperture with 170 degrees field of view. It's a full HD camera, 1080p. And at the top you got your camera mount, and then sort of a USB-B port. And then on the right you got your controls, a little screen. On the left you got your rear camera port as well. I'll leave a little cutout in the bottom, a little add-on. And it also comes with a 64 gig micro SD card, a class 10 as well. So to throw that in on top of the camera for under £30 is, I think it's very good value for money. So I'll just pop that back in. The pry tool is also a bonus as well, to put your wires into the A column. So this is a test footage in the motorway during the daytime, just to give you an idea of the quality and resolution. Also a nighttime motorway use as well, sort of high speed use. So it's not too bad, I think, pretty good. This is a slower speed, sort of like a 20 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour residential street in the day. And then we'll have a nighttime one, similar speed, 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour during the day, during the night, sorry. And with the suction cup as well, you can sort of remove it and place it to a different part of the vehicle. So this one just for fun, to do it on the driver's side window. And then there's the rear camera. It's a bit darker than normal, I have to note, because of the privacy tint. So that's something to think about for your rear view camera. But thanks for watching.